Greetings, class, and welcome to Nursing 790. The primary purpose of this course is the completion of the literature review for your scholarly project. I would recommend that you move to the Start Here Course Materials tab, and in this tab, you'll find the course documents for the course, including the assignments. Now, one of those first assignments is for you to reach out to me so we can schedule a time to talk that first week of classes. So if you've not touched bases yet, please do so that we can look at a time to meet. It will be important for us to discuss the timeline, and I can answer any questions or concerns that you have. Now, this course is set up a little bit differently than your prior courses. Uh, so there will not be modules. All of your course documents are located in the Start Here Course Materials tab. There is also an assignment tab, and this is where you will submit all of your assignments. Now, many of your assignments will also need to be uploaded to the DNP portfolio page. Across this course, it will be necessary for you to complete a total of 150 practicum hours. Now, this excludes transfer hours as well as any hours you earned for certification. In Nursing 790, you will complete Chapter 1. Chapter 1 will move through your committee, and then when you've completed Chapter 1, you will present Chapter 1 to your committee, as well as discuss future plans. In other words, the direction of your project. So a little bit more about the direction of the project, etc. Now, this will be in the form of a PowerPoint presentation, and there is a template available to you. This presentation will most likely occur the last week of classes, although might occur earlier if your committee is prepared to meet earlier and you anticipate that you will complete Chapter 1 earlier than that last week of classes. So again, it will depend on a number of um, things, including the availability of your committee, as well as how far along you are with your literature review. I would encourage you to reach out to your committee very early, that first or second week, to set up a day and time for your presentation. We know everyone's schedules become busier as we move toward the winter term. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to reach out to me, and I look forward to working with you this term.